Now, let's look at how we can create scenes in SketchUp. You can access the option from the default tray, but if it's not showing there, you can go to Window, then click on Default Tray, and make sure it is checked from here. Now, for example, you need to show your model to someone, and you don't want to constantly generate views from here. So, what you can do, you can select a standard view from here, or you can just create your own view. Now, this view is looking nice, so in order to make a scene, just click on the plus sign here, and this will automatically create a scene for you. So now, if you want another view, you can just right click on the mouse button and add the scene from here. The one thing that you can also do is, you can also rename the scenes from here.